Spring is officially here, and that means it's time to dust off those grills. And while the meat is usually the star of the barbecue, today we are going to put the sauces front and center. Jacqui Denker shows us how to make 3 Asian-inspired sauces that'll spice up your next cookout.
Who's ready for a barbecue? But this time we're mixing it up by adding some Asian flair to our meats and veggies.
And if you're tired of the same old barbecue sauce, which everybody has, try something new.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
To show us how it's done, we turn to chef at Kasai Japanese Steakhouse in Scottsdale, Arizona, Marty Kucera.
All right, let's get saucy.
Starting with Mongolian BBQ sauce,
We'll start with hoisin, that is the base of it.
followed by teriyaki glaze, sugar, rice wine vinegar,
Next we have sambal. Sambal is an Asian chili paste. That will add a little heat to it.
then in goes chopped garlic and chopped ginger.
Ta-da!
That's it.
Now it's time to slather it on. Marty recommends grabbing your favorite veggies, pork ribs, or rack of lamb.
I'm gonna bib up.
Dig in.
My wow. This is good.
Next, we went for a bang bang sauce.
And it's a great, great dipping sauce. It goes really well with fried foods.
Start off with mayo, then some sriracha.
So this is gonna have a little bit of a kick to
It will
it.
have some kick to it.
Little bang bang.
In goes some sweet chili sauce, fresh chopped garlic, and for a little more of a kick, some red pepper flakes.
That's it.
That's it, very simple.
And try with your favorite fried food. We went with shrimp tempura and chicken tempura.
Wow. I feel like smoke's gonna come out of my ears.
Finally, a citrus cherry sauce, which goes well with...
Basically anything you would use a sweet and sour sauce for.
We're starting off with some chopped lemongrass, but
You can't just chop it up, you have to smash it first.
what she says brings out the essence of the plant. Toss that in a pan over medium heat with cooking oil. Then throw in some chopped ginger and stir away.
It takes a good 5 to 10 minutes. You'll know when you start smelling the lemongrass.
The aroma.
Yes.
To thicken the sauce, he mixed cornstarch and white wine vinegar. Toss that in along with orange juice concentrate and sugar.
Oh, I can smell the citrus.
There you go.
Then blend up some stemless maraschino cherries. Strain your citrus blend, combine, and voila.
Now, if that's not beautiful,
Right?
I
There
don't
you
know
go.
what it is.
Now for my favorite part, dipping. We used crab rangoons and egg rolls, but you can dip it in any of your favorite fried foods or veggies.
Fantastic.
Right? Very good.
It's like dessert.
Taking our barbecues up a notch with Asian-inspired sauces.